Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a final project, is a stop wall project, and this body is a collar design. And how to this body is designed, and also 2D drafting is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is right view, and all geometry is looking perfect, and all geometry is showing here. And this is isometric view, and all dimension in millimeter. And this part is a assemble is inside this inside here. Okay, and all parts is one by one is at first drawing here, then last is a all parts is assemble here. And this body is a this project is a drawing, and today discuss here this body is a drawing here. Okay, this body is a drawing, and how to this body is drawing easily and clearly, then today discuss here. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and this is a also a hole is a create here. Okay, and all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first going to this part, and some setting is very important. And first is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this body is a drawing here. Use a plane is front plane is better, and this thickness is 14 millimeter, and this hole is a 4 millimeter diameter, and this length is a 50 millimeter, and this distance is a inner distance is 11 millimeter, and this upper distance is a 18 millimeter radius. Both is radius is doing here, and all is perfect. At first select a front plane and a sketch. At first some reference line is drawing here. At first drawing this vertical, and again select a line is a horizontal. Okay, two line is a one by one is drawing here, and center rectangle is drawing here this okay, and this is a perfect, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 14 millimeter, and okay, this is a 11 millimeter is this, and this is a 12 millimeter is diameter. Both is radius and both is diameter, but it is same. Okay, and 11 millimeter is radius, and this is a 18 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 14 millimeter, and this inner distance is a 11 millimeter, and outer distance is a 18 millimeter. Okay, all is black color means this is a fully defined, and this is a correct. And going to revolve boss base and select this vertical line, and this is a correct, and okay, and this is a perfect, but this is a hole is created here. And again select a plane is a front plane, sketch, normal, and this is a circle is drawing here. Okay, and align a dimension is this diameter is a 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter is perfect, and okay, and extrude cut is this mid plane. Okay, and this is a length is a 50 millimeter this. Okay, this length is 50 millimeter and mid plane, and okay, Okay, this cutout is also perfect. And going to material, and material is a, this is a plastic. Select here and high glass. Okay, this is a plastic and high glass is a perfect. And high glass, and going to this blue high glass plastic, and this is a perfect. And material is apply here this and all is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, all point. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.